Here we are at Jensen, 700 Arlington Avenue. World famous makers of model steam engines. Let's go inside. Come along and join me.
No, you probably have it in there.
I can't remember.
There is Dorita and her workstation.
Yeah.
Busy at work.
Wow.
We'll start here on the left. There is Jed running around.
Hey, easy.
Easy.
Trying to help.
There's their parts bin. This, I'm told, is where Tom Sr.'s workbench was, where he always worked. You can see we have several rows of machinery tools. This is the current Jensen Mfg. I believe they said it was number 18 in progress. The Andy's building. Buffing polishing station. And we'll go down. I'll just hit every row. And you can see the fire boxes and boilers in progress. And the flywheels, and the Dorita's painting. Some of the engines in progress. These are some of the engines the fellas had brought in to let Jensen look at. Alita was here a little bit ago. There's their lineup. Shear. Let's see, we got all kind of product up there. There's some of the vendors. And here we have the lathes. A lot of the machinery. This is Andy's area right here. Racks and racks of dies, tools. Jensen Senior made. And there's the entry door again.
Yeah, there you go. There it is.
There's Tom and Andy. Big old punch presses. More tooling. Those are 15 bases up here, I can tell. There's some copper tubing probably. There's the lathes. 3 right in a row. There's 4 actually. And we'll head back to the back row where Andy was working earlier. Raising boilers up. Five, 6 drill presses in a row for production work. That's the bathroom back there. And this is for the 2.5-inch boiler. It puts the holes in it for the rivets on the end. Quite a contraption. Draws them all in. It's very neat. There's the world famous bricker. Jed just bricked some stuff a little while ago. Here's the soldering area. And that does it. Now we're trying out an old boiler.
How do I screw it down?
Say hi, Dorita.
Hello.
All right.
Oh yeah.